Good afternoon everyone. I am Bhavna Gupta, founder chairperson Ladies Club NCR. From quite some time I was receiving compliments regarding my skin. So I thought today I must share with all of you the reason behind it. I discovered this beautiful product from Dr. Bharti Taneja, 24 karat gold nano oil. This product has been really helpful for my skin. It has helped to remove lighten the pigmentation, remove the wrinkle lines, and also to some extent made the color of certain spots lighter. So overall, a very good product and very beneficial for glowing healthy skin. This product has almond oil, it has argan oil, and also saffron. All these products are really beneficial for your skin. They help to rejuvenate your skin, to provide glowing and radiant skin. And a very simple technique to use this. You can either apply this at night after you remove your makeup. Before going to bed, a few drops of this oil will really help your skin. Or before applying your makeup, you could nourish your skin with few drops of this oil. This is absolutely non-greasy product and you will love using it. I have been using this product from past 1 month and notice tremendous change in my skin. So if I can benefit from it, why should not I share this with all of you? You can easily get this product from Dr. Bharti Taneja or buy this product online. So let's hope to see you all with this beautiful radiant skin. Buy yours today.